welcome you back in my geography class. This is your Devika ma'am and today we are going to start with another new chapter of class 5 geography. Today we are going to start with chapter 5 DRC, the land of dense forest. In today's video we are going to know about the location of DRC, that is Democratic Republic of Congo, about its relief, climate, vegetation and wildlife. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started.
Hello kids, I'm Hunk, the chimpanzee. I live in the dense forest of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Do you people want to know about my land? What are you waiting for? Come with me. Democratic Republic of Congo is also known as DRC. It is a country that is located deep in the heart of the continent of Africa. It is Africa's third largest country. Do you know that Africa is the only continent through which Equator, Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn passes? So we can say that Africa lies in the torrid zone. What is torrid zone? Torrid zone is the area on both sides of the equator between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And as we can see that through Africa, Equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes through, so it is correctly situated in the torrid zone. DRC, which lies in the continent of Africa, also lies in the torrid zone. The equator passes through the northern DRC. The capital of DRC is Kinshasa. So, which is the capital of DRC? The capital of DRC is Kinshasa. The DRC is the land of the dense forest. Now, let us know about the history of DRC. In the year 1960, Democratic Republic of Congo got independence from Belgium, then called Belgian Congo. So in the year 1960, DRC was known as Belgian Congo. In the year 1971, the name of the country changed from Belgian Congo to Zaire. So we can say that in the year 1971, the name of DRC changed from Belgian Congo to Zaire. So how come it got its name DRC? Again, in the year 1997, the name of the country changed from Zaire to Democratic Republic of Congo. So what we can see that in the year 1960, it was known as Belgian Congo. In the year 1971, the name of the country changed from Belgian Congo to Zaire. And in the year 1997, again the name changed from Zaire to Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, let me tell you about the relief of my country, DRC. The river named Congo flows through Democratic Republic of Congo. It dominates the landscape of DRC. Congo River is the second longest river in Africa and it is the seventh in the world. So what we can see that the Congo River, which dominates the landscape of DRC, is the second longest river in Africa and the seventh in the world. Now the Congo Basin covers almost the entire country. Now we should know that which is the longest river. If Congo is the second longest river in Africa, then which is the longest river in Africa? River Nile is the longest river of Africa, and it is not only the longest river of Africa, but it is also the longest river of the world. Other than the Congo River, in DRC there are high mountains. In the eastern edges, there are 3 mountain ranges and low coastal plain. There are plateaus in the south and southwest. So what we can see that other than the Congo River, which dominates the landscape of DRC, we have mountains in the eastern edges. There are 3 mountain ranges along with a low coastal plain, and there are plateaus in the south and southwest. Now, let us know about the climate of DRC. DRC is located in the equatorial region. So we can say that it is located close to the equator, as the equator passes through the northern DRC. So the climate in most parts of DRC is very hot throughout the year. In other words, we can say that it experiences equatorial type of climate, that is hot and wet climate throughout the year. Now, as because DRC is located close to the equator, so the direct rays of the sun reaches DRC for the longer period of time. This increases the temperature in DRC. So we can say that morning is pleasant but temperature rises in the afternoon. The water bodies get heated up faster due to the direct rays of the sun, which leads to faster rate of evaporation of water during the day. It has very high humidity. This causes clouds to be built up by the afternoon. Rain comes down at about 4 p.m. This happens almost every day, which makes the region one of the wettest in the world. So what we can say that in most parts of DRC, it rains heavily almost every day, making the region one of the wettest in the world. But in some parts of DRC, especially in the south, it does not rain much. Here, the summer is hot and wet, whereas the winter is cool and dry. In DRC, the days and nights are almost equal in length. So we can say that we can't understand the difference between days and nights here in DRC. And there is also no demarcation of seasons here. Now let us know about the vegetation of DRC. Heavy rainfall, hot and humid climate help in the growth of dense forest in the DRC called tropical rainforest. Major parts of DRC are covered with tropical rainforest. The forest remains green throughout the year. Usually the trees shed their leaves in the autumn season, but in the tropical rainforest, the trees do not have any particular season to shade their leaves. So that is why whenever we will look at the forest, it appears green, and thus they are also called as evergreen forest. Now trees in this forest grow very tall, and their branches form a thick canopy that prevents the sunlight reaching the ground. The ground of DRC is covered with creepers, shrubs, climbers and bushes. Why? Because the sunlight cannot reach the ground. These forests are dark and damp. It is difficult to pass through this forest even during daytime. Now, let us know about the largest forest in the world. Now, let us know about the second largest forest first. The Congo rainforest is the second largest forest in the world. The DRC is home to 60% of the Congo rainforest. So, which is the largest forest in the world? The Amazon rainforest is the largest forest in the world, covering an area of 1.2 billion acres of land. So you can understand how deep and dense this forest is. Now, in all parts of DRC, the vegetation is not same. In the south of DRC, as it does not rain much, so instead of dense forest, there are open grasslands with few scattered trees, and they are called savanna. So what kind of vegetation do we find in the southern DRC? We find open grasslands with few scattered trees called savanna. Now it's time to meet my friends. Let me tell you about the wildlife of DRC. A large variety of wildlife is found in the forest and savannas of DRCs. In the forest of DRC, a large variety of mammals are found. Let me introduce you people with some of them. There are elephants, buffaloes, gorillas, baboons, and rhinoceros. So some of the mammals which are found in the forest are elephants, buffaloes, gorillas, baboons, and rhinoceros. In the savanna also there are a variety of animals that are found, and some of them are lions, leopard, giraffe, and zebras. So these are some of the animals which are found in the grasslands, that is, in the savanna. Now, not only mammals are found in DRC, but there are a large number of crocodiles which are also found in the river. There are many birds, insects which are found in plenty in DRC. But among all the insects, the most dangerous insect that is found in DRC is the testy fly, which causes the dreaded sleeping sickness. So it is very, very dangerous. Be very, very careful. Hey, I'm tired now. I need to take rest. Next day, I will tell you more about the natural resources, people, and many more. Hope all of you enjoyed knowing about my land.
In today's video, we have discussed about the location of the Democratic Republic of Congo, about its relief, climate, vegetation, and the wildlife that are found there. I hope all of you have enjoyed watching the video and have understood everything that I have taught today in this video. Still, if you have any queries or any questions, you can let me know by just commenting in the comment box given below. If you want to watch more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and do hit the like button. Stay tuned, I will be back soon with the next part of the video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.